And hopefully not lose a finger. Ah, fuck. Let's make this stay up. Use the spring that is supposed to keep it up. First thing that I'm gonna do is just measure the... Okay, let's go make it. There we go. There we go. One step. Yeah. So again, this engages with this, and the hole engages with this pin here. Come on. So I gotta pull this forward so this guy can go on this slot in here first. So I also have to push the top section forward somehow. And hopefully not lose a finger. Fuck me. There we go. Now back. Ah, fuck. Yes. Good. And that was enough. The door feels I feel a little bit of weight on the door. Maybe in the future I'll put one extra still, but the door stays open. That's what is needed for now. How are you doing? Huh? What do you think of my manners? Yeah, you like it?